Hello, I want to share something with you guys that is sort of like a follow-on to my last video, which is about the role that nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium plays in soil. So one thing I'm doing today is I am taking out all of my broadbean plants, and while I was doing that I just thought I'll show you something quickly. So here is my broadbean plant. If you look closely, you can see lots of little white lumps or nodules. These nodules house bacteria, and it is a symbiotic relationship that is formed between the bacteria and the broadbean. It's not just broadbeans, it's a whole range of nitrogen fixing plants that do this. So the process that I'm about to talk about is called nitrogen fixation, if you've ever heard it and wondering what it means. All it is, it's simple but amazing, is the little bacteria, they are feeding off of the plant's root system, so they're getting all the sugars that they need to be nice and healthy. And what they are doing, the bacteria for the plant, is they are drawing ammonia from the atmosphere. So ammonia is a type of nitrogen that is not able to be used by a plant. And these bacteria, in the process of nitrogen fixation, convert the ammonia into a usable form of nitrogen, which is nitrates. And then the nitrates can be absorbed by the plant and used by the broadbean to build more proteins and become healthy and strong. When you have plants such as this, you can opt to just chop off the plant and leave the root structure under the soil so that it continues to feed that nitrogen through the roots, and the soil can kind of build from that. For me, I've got a hell of a lot of broadbeans and I have more than enough nitrogen and not enough potassium, so I'm going to focus on correcting that today. So I hope that helps. That's nitrogen fixation in a nutshell.